find the back, I don't know what's them there. New point and they don't know where. I'm a cousin. I'm a cousin. And nobody in that boy don't know that they cousin. But them are carrying things at my cousin. Like a young baby, my cousin. That's what business. No, that. Not that. I'm not telling you people what they're saying. No. Them say, come here in a wine here.
Welcome back to MyView TV, the people's platform, the home of undiluted news, reviews, updates, and your daily dose of entertainment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, leave us a comment, like, share, and subscribe.
I don't bring nobody forward in your cheer for me. Everything what you see up my natural talent. Let me tell you something. You see, when you know what to please the audience with, it's simple me.
Welcome, my people. Hope everybody doing okay. Hope everybody doing all right. Whatever life throws at you, even if it hurts you, just be strong and fight through it. Remember, strong walls shake but never collapse. Anyway, now, people, watch Wagwan pan Wagwan. One only for something. One breeder called balling last night in the darkness called light gone. And guess what? We know there's somebody lay down, don't it? Me soon tell you not which part that happened, you understand? But me have to tell you about that barrel here. Yeah, man, me have to tell you about this barrel here, people. Because them find one more barrel. Yeah, man. One more barrel them find. And something in this barrel. So me tell you what one for that, no, man. A collaborative effort between St. James Police and the Jamaica Customs Contraband Enforcement Team resulted in the siege of one firearm and a magazine at the Seaboard Wharf in St. James on Thursday. Report reaching our news team at about 5:45 p.m. The team carried out a coordinated search of the wharf where one dismembered Taurus G3 pistol and a magazine was found in a barrel. The weapon was subsequently seized. Detectives are conducting further investigation into the siege. Hold on now. Who found them upon the barrel? Just find that person there and slap them in a man. Find that person there and slap them. A matter of fact, you can stuff them in the barrel too. Just as how nobody no come claim this body where the people them find in the barrel. Watch her go on now. The body finally come out of the barrel. So if anybody will listen right now can identify that person here, just write in the comment section where the family member them name. You understand? So we're gonna go find them. The body for that identified male was found on Beeston Street in Kingston on Thursday. Yes, people. Police said the body is of dark complexion, medium build, about 6 feet 2 inches tall. You understand? And that them under them stuff in the barrel. The body had a star tattoo on his left arm. It was clad in a black t-shirt, blue short jeans pants, yes, cut off foot jeans pants, you understand, and a black pair of Air Force sneakers, yes, people. Report from Denham Town Police that about 2 a.m., police were summoned to the area. Upon the arrival of lawmen, the body was found inside a blue plastic barrel. Remember good, I showed the body in the barrel already. The scene was processed and it was removed to the morgue. Dead. Anybody who may be able to identify the body or information that may be able to assist the police in investigation is asked to tell me. Yeah, man, I'm going to tell the Denham Town Police. Drop it in the comment section so the people them know stuff them family member in the barrel so them can angle them, bangle them stuff. Because police now angle the body bangle for them. You understand? Police them are going in stupidness. Anyway, now people watch you go on Wagwan. Man down, right out of Windwąrd Road. One dead, another injured in shooting on Windwąrd Road. 2 men were shot, one fatally by unknown assailant on Windwąrd Road early this morning. Yes, people, early this morning. The deceased has not yet been identified. Police said bodies of dark complexion, slim build, about 5 feet 10 inches tall, and has a bearded face. He was also clad in a blue t-shirt, grey jeans pants, black socks, and 1 foot of blue and white Puma sneakers. Report reaching our news team from the Rơad Police Station, Elliston Police Station, that about 2:15 a.m. whilst they were sleeping, lawmen were alerted by the ring of the telephone. Yes, the phone wake them up, you understand? The police were summoned and found the men with multiple gunshot wounds. The victim were assisted to the hospital with unidentified man, yes, people, was placed on ice. The other was admitted in serious condition. Meanwhile, the police are requesting that anyone who may be able to assist them in identifying the body of the deceased is asked to contact the Elliston Road Police. Then again, them always asleep. Might as well not put that in the comment section, because I know say in people them about here, and I wonder who kill him, why them kill him, who this, who that. We're gonna take revenge. Make them go and go take them revenge, man. Make them go and go take them revenge. But hold on now, people like gone out of St. Thomas last night. I'm here, bam. And one will leap a ball in after that. But me never bother get up go look, you understand? Cause light gone, rain a fall, and a night, where me a go? One thing with me, I now go tell the people them no lie. You understand? So after we go sub boom, a morning light out and we go out there cause one whole heap of nice people still I make. Mr. We really a go on power go on. Them say my if you never had a whole heap of shot last night. Me say yes. But like they gone and rain the fall. Where me a come on road for? You miss it then my view. Me say what me I miss? Look on the screen now people yesterday boy. This a boy and over here. Him name Timmy. And slap him last night, you understand? Timmy also do the foolishness there, no? But him I put an over here and take picture. At least we have one good picture of Timmy. But Timmy, you never did put an over here and sister gunman I come and slap out the clean back last night. You never did say it. And nobody feel like say Timmy is not a nice person, you know, people. Timmy is a little troublemaker. Yes, that's what the people them say. You understand? Anyway, now people watch one power one. Right out of Boulevard, I'm going back and give you an update. Because the bird paper finally reaching.
The police don't tell us a dead man now.
A taxi operator was shot and killed along Washington Boulevard yesterday. Remember good. I come and show the picture and look at this video I have already. You understand? Information reaching our news team that he was traveling along the busy thoroughfare and stopped at a bus stop at the intersection of Kenhill Drive, Pembroke and Washington Boulevard when he was held up by criminals. Sources claim he was robbed and then shot by the criminal who then made their escape from the location. The police were called and the scene was processed and then removed the body. But hold on, they not tell them him name yet, don't it? Him name Courtney Campbell. Yeah man, Courtney Campbell him name. Right round and see if him come from. But let me tell the people them something nobody now got tell them. Because they know me already, I don't put my mouth and talk. None of them taxi drivers you see are dead. 9 of them dead to be exact. From January till now, 9 of them dead. None of them mixed up in a foolishness. So what I said and I mean what I said and no murder and now take it back. Remember good. Big one I go on and see you know. How much taxi operator, how much money I know. Where you live for a see you dead in the 9 dead this year. Think about it. Think about it. But I feel like someone can come trick me. Are you ever turn you man you? You come and talk about this and that? If it was robbery alone, why is it that the doctor them with the pan bus day in, day out, with money cock off pan finger, man no shoot them off a step and take with the whole of the money from them? You can't trick me, you know? You cannot trick me, no man can trick some other people, but not me.
It cannot continue like this. Yes, we know there's a problem in the society, but I mean, it's taking an effect on those who are serving. These guys are not killed in their bed or around the domino table, but while providing a service to the commuting public. And we are saying the time has come for us now to move to cashless. We think that one of the reasons for this is because we are moving with money between our fingers. So we have to move to cashless. We have to get the dash cam on our cars, and we have to be on the cutting edge of technology, because it's the only way we can survive as a sector right now. Too many is going down. My condolences to the family of this latest operator, but we have to go beyond condolences. We have to do something, and we are calling the government of Jamaica to sit with us to find a way to address the problem.
That is that way that is concerned. Anyway, now people watch Wagwan pan Wagwan. The 3-card man time, yeah man. 3-card man come for address you now.
Crime and violence, Madam Speaker, is now a systemic threat to the proper functioning of the state. I want that point to sink in a little bit. It's a threat to the functioning of the state to enforce its law, deliver justice, protect its borders, and secure its revenues. When criminals routinely seek to kill or intimidate witnesses, which happens quite a bit, they weaken the ability of the justice system to convict them. That's why they do it. And then they brag that they bust the case because no witnesses show up. They weaken the ability of the justice system to convict them. When criminals deliberately seek to befriend and enlist the protection of police officers and public officials, they compromise the ability of the state to effectively enforce its law. When criminals seek to infiltrate our ports and airports, they compromise the ability of the government to control our borders. Concluded gang trials gave insight into the cruel and calculating nature of gang operations and how they try to use violence to spread fear and weaken the state, including trying to increase the murder rate. There was actually testimony where one gang leader said, wait, how come my area is not leading in murder? That's just how sadistic these gangs are. Organized violence by gangs amounts to criminal terrorism. Organized violence by gangs amount to criminal terrorism. While the motive may not be for a political cause, their objective is to weaken any authority that could restrict their enterprise. The verdict in the recent anti-gang trial is a victory for Jamaica.
Welcome back to MyView TV, the people's platform, the home of undiluted news, reviews, updates, and your daily dose of entertainment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, leave us a comment, like, share, and subscribe.
I don't bring nobody forward in your cheer for me. Everything what you see up my natural talent. Man, me tell you something. You see, when you know what to please the audience with, it's simple, man.